Like the last minute girly that I am, I'm gonna ring the hair salon and see do they have an appointment for like a treatment and a trim today. And I also would love to get my face threaded because she is hairy. Ever since I got this TikTok light, I can see like every little hair. Now it is 1 o'clock. Ideally, I want to go at like 3 because I want to go to the gym first. Hi, I was just wondering, is there any chance of getting like a treatment and a trim today at any point? I'm just so last minute. I was like, I'm gonna chance it and see. I just did a mind hack. So obviously I can get my hair cut at 3, so I want to go to the gym beforehand. So I was like, going to the gym at 1, it just doesn't work in my brain. Like there's not enough time pressure. I always have to be on time pressure to like get moving, get things done. I don't know. It's just the way my brain works. So we're going to work with it as opposed to be like, well, that's stupid. I literally, my new favorite thing, right? I'm going to stop this timer. So my new favorite thing is like asking Siri or Alexa to do things for me because it just makes life so much easier. So basically I was standing here and like if I don't move 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 in the thought I have, like I lose it. I don't know if anyone else's brain like works the way my brain does, but this is it for me. So we're gonna try be stubborn about the things that we want to do this year. I was like, hey Siri, set an alarm for 30 minutes. And I was like, okay, I'm going to the gym now and then I'm getting my hair done and I'm having this self-care day. And wouldn't it be fab to come back to like a clean, organized room? I have not done a clean with me YouTube video in a while since I've like Christmas time. So that means I haven't cleaned my room because I use these clean with me videos to organize my room. Like that's the only way I can force myself to do it, is to make content out of it. Like I told myself you have to stop after the 30 minutes, but obviously that's like me playing my brain at its own game. So I'm actually gonna go for another 10 minutes just to clear the bed, dress the bed. So then when I walk in to a freshly dressed bed and everything and like a clean, organized room, I'll feel so much better in the evening as opposed to feeling like overwhelmed. I feel like if you're not an organized girly, you'll totally get me. But you know when you organize your room and you walk back into it after being out and there's just like a sigh of relief because you're walking into this organized space that you usually wouldn't walk into because usually your room's like unorganized. That's me. So yeah. Hey Siri, set an alarm for 10 minutes. Like it just takes all the thinking out of it. Okay, shock, I did my makeup. I decided I'm going to the gym after because I'm getting a treatment and a haircut. Like I don't really care if I mess up my hair at the gym. Also, I'm just going to do 12 to 30, maybe a sauna session. I brought my stuff. I packed my bag. I have my pajamas and my fluffy socks all ready to go for me to get changed into later. So you could say I'm chuffed. Also, I'm bringing my tripod and my light to the hairdressers because my family own this hairdressers. Like I'm related to them and I want to make TikTok content. And I was like, well, if you want to make TikTok content, bring your light, bring your tripod. They won't care. They'll be happy and make some content. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, so this is my hair before. Now I had an intrusive thought to get like a decent amount chopped off just because like obviously I know it's not styled right now, but like all this ends where it was blonde is just giving frazzle. Like the top is giving shiny, healthy, stunning virgin hair and the bottom is giving help. Like you can actually see on the camera where it goes from like healthy to like this is obviously all new hair that wasn't bleached and then this is not new hair. And like, I've always been such a firm believer in if your hair is not healthy, just chop it, hair grows. But I feel like I'm just so attached because I don't want to go back to having short hair, but maybe we'll do. Also, my eyes are giving blue today. Obviously the black hair and like all black clothing. I will forever look in the viewfinder. I don't know what to do, but my taxi's outside because it's snowing again. We have a can of white monster. Let go. Okay, so basically I'm obsessed with Katrina because she told me that I don't need to chop off my hair, which is great because I didn't want to anyway. But basically we're doing like this triple treatment situation. I'm gonna get her to explain it maybe behind the camera because she doesn't want to be on it, but you'll just see me listening to her and her speaking. She doesn't want to be on camera.
Am I videoing?
Right, so Katrina has actually explained to me, and I'm just going to explain it to you because you're here to see me anyway, and Katrina doesn't want to be on camera, which is fine. So I'm getting 2 products. So the salon I'm at is a Wella salon, and to be honest, Wella is my fave. Like, we all know I love the Wella Fusion. It's stunning. So we're using the Wella Liquid Hair, which is essentially a bond builder, because Katrina said that my hair is savable. We don't have to chop this off. All we have to do is rebuild the bonds so it's like virgin hair again, so it matches the top. And then secondly, this is like, we're doing a triple threat today, which is kind of cute, kind of fun, kind of fresh. So we're doing the lipid booster. That is going to strengthen and smoothen, because like the top is lovely, it's strong, it's smooth, the bottom is not strong and smooth. So we're doing all of it today, and then we are doing like a cut. We're gonna have to wait and see how much we take off, because I'm not sure how much we're doing it, and we might restyle it. I don't know, I'm feeling fun. Ooh, ooh. I'm so happy I don't have to chop my hair off, honestly, because I was not ready for that. Like, I don't see that for myself. I want to make a point about shampoo. So if you're a hair mask girly, right, you have whatever hair mask you use. We're not naming brands, whichever one you use, right, whichever one you adore. You need to be careful what shampoo and conditioner you're using, because if your shampoo and conditioner has too much protein and then all your masks have protein, you will snap off your own hair. And everyone makes videos being like, this mask doesn't work because it snapped off my hair. No, the mask does work, but all the other products you're using with the mask is making it not work. So I personally use the Wella Fusion because that doesn't have any proteins, but it makes your hair so soft and silky in the shower. I adore it. It is the perfect shampoo and conditioner combination for me. And they also have mask, and there is 0 proteins, which we like. Katrina's putting this stuff in my hair. I could do this at home. You can do this at home yourself, but my issue is I would use too much. Most people's issue is they would not do it. So we're doing this first, which is the liquid. This is the liquid hair, and then what's this thing?
Liquid booster.
That's the liquid booster. So we're doing in salon one. You can't do this at home. You can't do that at home. You can't do this at home. We're cutting. Not a lot though. My hair feels like silk. My hair feels like it's after growing out of my head, like brand new. Virgin. When I tell you, my hair feels like virgin. No, everyone needs to come and get this treatment right now, or like go to your local salon and get the triple threat. I'll put all the proper details in the description. We didn't need to chop my hair at all. This is the after of my hair. Excuse me? Wait till you see this. Glass. My hair is like glass. I didn't need to chop it up. I just needed a high quality salon. What? Do you see that? That's crazy to me. Oh, it's me. Sorry, I literally have a new head of hair. My hair honestly feels like brand new hair. Like, before I went to get my hair done today, the top section felt stunning smooth because it had never been bleached, but the bottom section felt like it just needed to be chopped off. Honestly, I went into that hair salon ready to have a bob. I am not going to be precious. Whatever Katrina tells me to do with my hair, whatever she recommends, I'm going to do. If that's her recommending that I cut it into the bob and just get rid of those dead ends, then that's what we're gonna do. I wasn't prepared, but like in my head I was like, Rebecca, it's just hair, it grows. You're better off having like healthy, smooth, shiny hair than dead, drabby hair. My hairdresser saved my hair with that triple threat treatment. So if you are from my hometown, you can get the treatment that I got today, including blow dry, for €50. 3 treatments. It's not one treatment, it's 3 separate treatments. Like, they did the cocktail for me today because obviously I'm family, so they were like, okay, you actually, Katrina was only going doing 1 treatment, and then Shelly, who is my cousin who like does my color and everything, was like, no, she needs 3. So they gave me the 3, and I was like, okay, I cannot go on my YouTube channel, I cannot go on my Instagram, I cannot go on TikTok and tell everyone about this amazing hair treatment if you're not gonna do a bargain. You can get everything for €50 until the end of February. So if you want to book, if you want to treat yourself, it's the end of January, right? And if your hair has seen better days and you don't want to cut your hair and you're like, I just need to save my hair, then this is for you. And listen, I get it. Some of you are not from my hometown and you're like, bestie, I can't go to your hairdressers, but I need to know what you got. If you go to any salon that has Wella, ask for the System Professionals liquid hair treatment and the lipid booster treatment. Ask for both. Can you get both into your head? Like any other bond rebuilder that you might know of, whether that's Olaplex, whether that's K18, it is Wella's version of their bond rebuilder. And honestly, Wella products work best with my hair. Like, that's what I've learned, is that Wella products and my hair just match immaculately. So right now I'm chilling in my room. It is clean. I'm so happy I cleaned my room before I went to get my hair done today. I also went to the gym. I went to the gym after my hair, and I have had a body shower. I just didn't wash my makeup off because I want to make TikToks, okay? I just did a light session though. I just did a few weights. I didn't do anything crazy or hectic because, to be honest, I did not want to sweat and get sweat mixed in with my stunning, gorgeous, fabulous, fresh new hair. Do you know what I mean? I'm gonna chill for the evening and watch Love Island UK. If you're watching Love Island UK, let me know. I don't know about you, but at this point I'm watching for Maya. Maya Jama. Oh, the black dress. Can we talk about the black dress? Did you see the black dress? Did you see Maya Jama in that black dress? All the contestants were like, why am I here? Maya is the island. Maya is Love Island at this point.